Hey, what's up guys, hope you had a nice week. So it's been a month since the Samsung Galaxy S20 lineup is out, and as always, Samsung did some aggressive touch-ups to the whole lineup, mainly focused on the camera unit. This year's whole S20 lineup, namely the Samsung Galaxy S20, the S20 Plus, and highly awaited the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, all running Android 10 with Samsung's own user interface, One UI 2.1. For the whole lineup, CPU is the same, having two variants, the Exynos 990 targeted for global market, and for some selected regions, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. In terms of memory, the standard and the Plus model come with 8 to 12 gigs of RAM, whereas the Ultra with 12 to 16 gigs of RAM. Storage capacity for the standard S20 is 128 gigs, whereas the Plus and Ultra model climbs up from 128 to 256 and 512 gigs of storage. Also to be mentioned, the entire lineup is expandable to 1.5 TB. Compared to previous lineup, the Samsung Galaxy S10, batteries have gone bigger and better. The standard S20 holds a 4000 mAh of battery, followed by S20 Plus holding a 4500 mAh and the Ultra model holding a massive 5000 mAh of battery. The display panel on S20 lineup is the same dynamic AMOLED Infinity O panel as on Galaxy S10 and Galaxy Note 10, inclusive of in-screen fingerprint sensor, a 3200 by 1440 pixel of screen resolution at 60 Hz of refresh rate. S20's panel also supports 120 Hz of refresh rate at 1080 pixels. Lowering resolution for high refresh rate is an intangible settings option and can be possibly for more battery life. With all these display specs, the standard S20 has a 6.2 inches of screen, followed by the S20 Plus having a 6.7 and the S20 Ultra having a massive 6.9 inches. The camera unit on 2020 Samsung flagship is the main center of attraction, having the same placement as Apple's 2019 iPhone 11 lineup. The standard S20 having a tri-camera setup holds a 12 megapixel wide lens, a 64 megapixel telephoto lens capable of zooming 30 times digitally, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens for more wider photographs and super steady videos. The S20 Plus having the quad camera setup carrying similar specs as the standard S20 holds an additional time of flight depth sensor. The S20 Ultra's camera module has massive power packed inside of its quad camera setup, holding a 108 megapixel of wide lens and a 12 megapixel of ultra wide lens, a 48 megapixel of telephoto lens accompanied by a time of flight sensor, making it capable of zooming 100 times digitally. All three models are capable of recording 8K videos at 24 frames per second, 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and 1080 pixel slow-mo shots at 240 frames per second. Amazing fact is that arrival of Galaxy S20 lineup is already out, but let's save it for the next time. If you liked the video, a like and sub is very much appreciated. And with all that being said, my name is Haris, this is FantasTECH, catch you in the next one. Peace.